Incident management has come a long way since the days of trouble tickets and support pagers. Modern incident management should incorporate digital collaboration with remote coworkers and flexible team structures who are supporting fast-changing software and cloud infrastructures. I'm pleased to announce the latest Intellyx analysis, Modern Incident Management, Evolving Toward a Positive Incident Culture. This buyer's guide will provide an understanding of the ideal criteria for modern incident management as a bridge between engineering, IT operations, and management stakeholders. The fulcrum is shifting toward a positive incident culture by changing the way organizations think about incidents. In this report, you will learn guidance on how to do it yourself versus off-the-shelf incident management tooling options, case studies of scaling companies successfully adopting a more positive incident culture, and the evolution of incident metrics like MTTR, MTTD, MTTI, and what market leaders are measuring today. Future success will be measured by improvement in our overall organizational resilience, the ability to learn from mistakes, and to consistently bounce back faster and better over time. Download your copy of this Intellyx Buyer's Guide from Kintaba.com today.